right now I am going to go start gardening / planting our seeds for the year. We are starting our garden finally. It's been a while. Some people don't know, we planted a garden last year, okay? And I don't want to say failed miserably, but it failed miserably. It was bad. Like, I don't think we got anything out of that garden at all. And we spent so much time and money on that garden. It was horrible. So we're kind of starting something new, which you're going to see in the next clip, where we got this like pre-made pellet box thing that you plant the seeds in and they germinate and then you can like transfer them. We're going to get the actual box set up probably next weekend. We will see if any of our seeds have actually germinated. That's the thing that I'm trying to keep my fingers crossed for, because I don't know if they're actually going to germinate or not, but we'll see. So I will see you in the next clip and I'll show you the process of me planting my seeds. Thing on this little piece of paper because I'm very forgetful. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out which ones I want multiples of, because I don't have room for, like, I would need 3 different ones. And I don't think we're gonna grow anything else. Okay, well, we'll just start. I'm going to be making one of my favorite freaking recipes that I found probably within like the last year. Do you see this? This is all she does. It's called green chili smothered burritos. It is on Pinterest and it is amazing. I'm not usually like a chicken enchilada or a beef enchilada person. This is fantastic. I didn't think I was going to be able to make them where they actually tasted good, because sometimes I doubt even my own cooking skills. Because it's very limited. Leave a comment below on what you guys would love to see recipe wise. I do a lot of dinners. We cook a lot of dinners and then we eat the leftovers. It's kind of iffy on whether or not I would make a lunch. I don't usually even like plan for lunches, because sometimes we either go out or I make like a quick mac and cheese at work, or, you know, something where I can just like maybe like a sandwich or something. So I wanted to show you guys, you know, at least a few of the dinners. I believe tomorrow is potato soup is what I'm going to be doing for dinner. That one, chef's kiss. Fantastic. Love it with my entire soul. That one's another one that we do leftovers on as well. So this one will have leftovers, and then tomorrow's lunch will have leftovers for Tuesday's lunch. I'll leave the recipe down in the description below, so if you guys want to try it, you can. I'll also link to it on Pinterest. It's a lot easier to follow that recipe since it's all like, you know, already all in one. Just go try it. Tell me what you think. Comment and tell me what you think if you try it. I absolutely adore this. I could eat this every single day of my entire life. And I actually, with it last year, I learned how to make homemade like Mexican rice. Let me tell you, this so good. No, I'm gonna one of these days I'm gonna have a compilation of you and your farts. So much. As soon as I quit filming, he came in and farted. Could have had it on camera. It's like, I swear to God, he farts so much. Okay. I just wanted to jump on here and rant about my dog being a pain in the ass. Look at her. You think you're so cute. Uh-huh. Pain in my ass. Excuse me, ma'am. What do you... Thank you. Thank you. Here, I shall take that now. That is not a toy. Yes, you. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. She has her bandana on. This was her sister's first bandana. Our other pit bull who passed away, she would wear that constantly. Oh, so now Theo gets to wear it, huh? Well, she likes to chew on it. But we've got Bubbies. That's Yoshi. He's just chilling. He does not like her. I mean, I get it. She's annoying, okay? She's in the puppy phase, and he is like almost 6. Yep. This is, yep. Like, I am going to go make dinner. This is like one of my favorite dinners I've ever made, because simply for the reason of it's delicious. Look at that. Oh my god, it's all a mess. It's delicious. I can't remember if it takes too much time, but I'll just kind of go through like the ingredients. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's literally like 5:30. I don't know who I am anymore. But look at these. Chocolate cupcakes. Yeah, I made those. Yeah, I did. Was I lazy and did I buy the like Pillsbury frosting in a bag? Yeah. Yeah, I did. This meal is not hard. It just kind of has a lot of components to it. It is a chilled rotisserie chicken. I just get mine from Walmart. They're like $5 for the entire thing. So what you're gonna do with it is you're gonna basically shred it until you get about 3 cups worth. You're gonna need flour tortillas. These are just the medium sizes. I believe the recipe calls for burrito size, except that I just happen to have these. So we're gonna use the little ones today. Cheese, you need a lot of cheese. Okay, and then, so I'm using, I think it says Monterey Jack is what you're supposed to use, but I'm using the Great Value triple cheddar, finely shredded. And I think you need about 2 cups of it. So I've got 2 packs here. You need light sour cream. Oh, I can't remember if you need these. I'll have to look at the recipe, but green chilies just in case. And this is the green chili enchilada sauce that they recommend, like the recipe recommended was like the best. It's kind of pricey, not gonna lie. It's like $2.50 for this can, but these are just, I love them. Okay, so I have the chicken. Now I do need these green chilies. Drain them, dump them in. And then you need half a cup of sour cream. I use the light. And also pepper and salt. You use half a cup of this. Oh, and a cup of the triple cheddar cheese. I'll also use that. Basically, you just mix it all together, and then we will make the sauce that goes on top. This is similar to what it really should look like. Just mix it all together, really. Stuff all of the burritos. Let me check and see. I think we may have to put the sauce like on the bottom as well. So Let me check on that first. So you definitely don't have to, I hope I'm in focus. I'm on my phone right now. You definitely don't have to put the sauce on the bottom. So while that's heating over there, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the filling on these. Sorry if you can hear the lawnmower. My boyfriend's testing out the lawnmower for this year. It is quite loud because the garage is right there, so. To put the enchiladas in the oven. I believe it's for like 25 minutes and then maybe 35 minutes. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and do that. My dog has decided to be my sous chef today. Honestly though, look at that. Oh my god. It is so good. Okay. Obviously, you've seen me in this a lot because that's what I'm wearing. She's in the puppy phase. And when I tell you guys there's not enough exercise in the world for this dog, it's unfucking real how much exercise this dog needs. Like, today we took her on a 45-minute walk. Thought she was tired. No.